The saga of Bitcoin is a thrilling journey through innovation, speculation, and transformation, reshaping our understanding of what money can be. This digital marvel started as an enigmatic concept, barely noticed outside of niche online forums. Yet its origins are deeply rooted in a desire to revolutionize the financial system. The tale unfolds in 2008, amidst a global financial crisis, when an individual or collective known as Satoshi Nakamoto presented the world with a white paper proposing Bitcoin. This wasn't just another digital currency attempt. It was a groundbreaking vision for a decentralized, peer-to-peer monetary system, free from the control of any central authority. Bitcoin's story is marked by significant milestones, from the creation of the first block, known as the Genesis block, in January 2009, to the first real-world transaction where 10,000 Bitcoins were famously exchanged for 2 pizzas. Each step demonstrated the potential and challenges of creating a new form of money. The journey was anything but smooth, with volatile price swings, regulatory battles, and the rise and fall of crypto exchanges marking its path. Yet, through it all, Bitcoin has persisted, captivating the imagination of investors, technologists, and the general public alike. As we explore Bitcoin's history, we're reminded of its core promise: to provide a decentralized, transparent, and secure form of currency. This vision has not only spurred the creation of thousands of other cryptocurrencies, but has also ignited a global conversation about the future of money and finance. In shedding the complex technical jargon, the essence of Bitcoin's story is one of audacity and innovation, challenging us to reimagine the very fabric of our financial system. Our adventure through the annals of financial history embarks from an unlikely starting point: the year 1872. You might wonder, what in the world does that have to do with Bitcoin? Well, this was the year Western Union revolutionized the way money moves, conducting the first money transfer via telegraph. This wasn't just a novelty, it was a monumental shift in the financial landscape, heralding the dawn of modern banking transactions. Before this, financial exchanges were cumbersome, limited to hand-to-hand dealings or the use of bank checks. But Western Union's innovation paved the way for the electronic financial systems we've come to depend on today, including the digital currency phenomenon known as Bitcoin. This leap into telegraphic transfers was a precursor to the borderless, instantaneous transactions that cryptocurrencies enable, illustrating how historical milestones can directly influence the technological advancements of the future. As we delve deeper into the history and evolution of Bitcoin, remember that its roots are intertwined with the evolution of financial transactions, starting from a telegraph in 1872. Fast forward to the late 20th century, specifically between 1982 and 1998, when cryptographers worldwide were deep in thought over creating a global information network. Cryptography, which dates back to ancient Greece, has evolved significantly over the years. In essence, it's the science of securing data confidentiality, integrity, authentication, and encryption. By the late 20th century, the concept of electronic money began to take shape, spearheaded by American cryptographers David Chaum and Stefan Brands, who laid down the foundation for an anonymous digital payment system and introduced the first electronic cash protocols. The collapse of DigiCash in 1998 might have seemed like the end of the road for digital cash, yet it set the stage for a much larger revolution in the world of finance. The concept of quick, anonymous payments lingered in the minds of technologists and visionaries, simmering on the back burner of the digital world until the right moment came. That moment arrived on October 31, 2008, when a person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto unveiled Bitcoin, a groundbreaking leap forward in the evolution of currency. Bitcoin wasn't just another digital currency. It was the first to solve the problem of double spending without the need for a central authority, thanks to its decentralized ledger, the blockchain. The creation of Bitcoin's Genesis block by Nakamoto is particularly symbolic, embedding a newspaper headline about bank bailouts. This act was a clear nod to Bitcoin's underlying philosophy: to create a financial system that was transparent, secure, and free from the control of any single institution. Through this, Bitcoin positioned itself as a stark alternative to the traditional banking system, challenging the status quo and laying the groundwork for the cryptocurrency revolution that would follow. The path of Bitcoin, the pioneering cryptocurrency, has been marked by both innovation and challenge. A notable bump in the road occurred in August 2010 when a significant vulnerability within the Bitcoin system was cunningly exploited. This security loophole led to the creation of a staggering 184 billion Bitcoins in a single, unauthorized transaction, shaking the very foundations of the Bitcoin network. Despite the potential for disaster, the Bitcoin community responded with remarkable speed and efficiency. The issue was quickly addressed, and the aberrant transaction was nullified, reinforcing the resilience and adaptability of the Bitcoin protocol. The years that followed saw Bitcoin's gradual ascent from a niche interest to a major player in the financial world. By 2013, it had captured the attention of investors worldwide, including notable figures like the Winklevoss twins. Their significant investment in Bitcoin not only underscored the cryptocurrency's growing legitimacy, but also propelled them to become the first publicly known Bitcoin billionaires by December 2017. This milestone reflected Bitcoin's explosive growth and its enduring appeal as a revolutionary financial asset. Amidst its roller coaster journey, Bitcoin has been at the center of some truly intriguing stories that highlight the unpredictable nature of this digital currency. One such tale involves Mark Frauenfelder, a journalist who found himself locked out of his Bitcoin wallet in 2016. This misadventure led him on a desperate quest to recover his digital fortune, embodying the precariousness of managing cryptographic assets. In a similarly astonishing narrative, an Australian Bitcoin enthusiast made the regrettable decision to dispose of a hard drive, only to realize it contained 1,400 Bitcoins. As the value of Bitcoin soared to unimaginable heights, this mishap transformed into a tale of loss and what-ifs, underscoring the volatile and sometimes unforgiving nature of cryptocurrency investments. Perhaps the most iconic of these anecdotes is that of Laszlo Hanyecz, who in 2010 spent 10,000 Bitcoins on 2 pizzas. This transaction, now celebrated annually as Bitcoin Pizza Day, underscores the unpredictable journey of Bitcoin's value. What was once a simple meal purchase has turned into a legendary story, illustrating the immense potential and speculative nature of cryptocurrencies. These tales, ranging from personal mishaps to monumental transactions, weave a rich tapestry of human experience around the enigmatic world of Bitcoin. So, what's your take on cryptocurrencies? Do you see them as a groundbreaking innovation or just another fleeting trend? We're eager to hear your thoughts, so drop us a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious, friends.